Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best study tables for ultimate productivity. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. White metal frame office desk. Enhance your workspace with this large office desk featuring a clean white design. The wide surface and sturdy metal frame with thick steel legs provide ample space and durability for all your home desk activities. Experience a stylish and functional workstation that complements any room. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. Adjustable mobile computer desk. Stay productive on the go with this versatile folding desk. Whether you're working, studying, or enjoying leisure time, the height adjustable feature ensures comfort. This lap bed tray is a mobile solution for a dynamic lifestyle, offering flexibility and adaptability wherever you are. At number 3. Aoliviya Cream Style Study Table. Elevate your study space with the Aoliviya Cream Style Study Table. The wire-wrapped board desk, complete with an integrated bookshelf, combines functionality and aesthetics. Perfect for students and home desktop computer use, this table brings a touch of cream-themed elegance to your surroundings. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. Portable folding laptop desk. Experience ultimate convenience with this home folding laptop desk. Tailored for bed and sofa use, it provides a portable and comfortable solution for study and reading. The foldable design ensures easy storage, making it a perfect companion for those who seek a versatile lap desk for various activities. At number 1. Foldable lift laptop desk with drawer. Elevate your at-home experience with this foldable lift laptop desk. The adjustable stand, paired with a convenient drawer, offers a multifunctional solution for eating, working, and gaming. The lap table's foldable design ensures easy storage, making it a practical and space-saving addition to your daily activities.